next time. So now that we have our MetaTrader 5 set up, we have our chart here in front of us. However, I want to do some customization to my chart. First, I don't like the candles. These blue and red sticks that you see on the screen are called candlesticks. Okay. First, I don't want my candlesticks in these colors. You can leave yours as it is if you choose to. So first, I am going to go ahead and edit my candlesticks. So I'm going to just tap on the screen and click the settings icon. Let's do that again. Tap on the screen, click the settings icon, and then I'm going to go down to where I see colors at the bottom and customize color scheme. Okay, so my bar up is green, as you can see, the third one from the top. I'm going to change that to what do I want it in? Let's change it to say blue. All right, and I'm going to put my bar down in yellow. Now below that you see bull candle and bear candle. Bull candle is also the bar that's going up, and bear candle is the bar that's going down. You want to change your bull candle into the blue that I put for the bar up, and you want to change your bear candle into the yellow that I put for the bar down. Let me show you before I change it what your chart would look like if you don't change them to the exact color as the ones before it. Let's see, let's zoom up. See, so we have the yellow around the candlesticks but not in the candlesticks, and we have the blue around the candlesticks but not in the candlesticks. Okay, we're going to go back on settings. We'll tap the screen, click the settings icon here, colors at the bottom, and then we're going to change our bull candle to blue. Remember, you can use any colors that you choose as long as you remember which is which. If you don't, then keep it in the regular green and red. You don't want to confuse yourself when we get more complex. Now we're going to change the bear candle to yellow. Awesome. Let us look at our candlesticks now. Done. Back. And there we go. Everything is even. Like I said, you can use any color that you want. Now, those lines behind the candlesticks on the chart are called grids. I do not want grids on my chart, or I don't want them as bright. So to remove them, I'm going to click on settings again and colors again, and right here, the second one from the top where I have grid, I am going to change that to black like my background. Done. Back. There we go. Okay, so they're not as bright as before. Now my chart is a little clearer. You can keep yours if you want to. I prefer my chart this way. Okay, so let us move from the chart screen to the code screen. That is the first screen at your bottom left hand corner. I'm going to click on the code screen, and here you see a bunch of currency pairs and numbers. I'm going to attach a clip after this to tell you what currency pairs are and what the numbers. A currency pair is the grouping of two pairs where one currency's price is different from the other currency. An example of currency pairs are GBP, JPY, where GBP stands for Great British Pounds and JPY stands for Japanese Yen. So I am going to remove the pairs that I do not want from here. So I'm going to click on the pencil at the top right hand corner. I'm going to click on the delete icon, and then I'm going to select the pairs that I do not want by checking the box beside each pair. I have preferred currency pairs and metals that I trade, but it is up to you which pairs you want to trade. Delete. Okay, get rid of this one too. Delete. And I'm going to click on the plus sign to add the ones that I want. You click on the plus sign. If you know the name of the pair, you can type it in up here. If you don't, you can click on Forex or metal or indices and search for it by just scrolling down until you find what you're looking for. Okay, so I already know the pair that I want. Here it is, GBPJPY. That is Great British Pound, sorry, and Japanese yen. So just click on it and it will be added to your code screen. So I'm going to click the back arrow, and there you can see that it was added at the bottom of the screen. Okay, I'm going to go back, and there it's showing all 5 of my pairs that I want to trade. So beside the code screen is the chart screen that we were just customizing. Beside the chart screen, we have our trade screen. This is where you see your balance, your equity, and your free margin. Okay, and once a pair is open, then once a trade is open, then 2 other categories will be added here. I will show you that in the next video. On history, this is where you will see all the trades that you have opened and closed for the day. However, you can customize this and see the trades for the week or for the previous month by clicking on the calendar icon at the top right hand corner right here. You see? Or you can customize the time period. We'll go into that further in another video. You have messages over here. I have never used this in all my time trading, to be honest. Not really sure what it is really about, so I am not going to go into that. Okay, I'm going to click on our menu icon at the top left hand corner here, and when I click on this, you can see the account that you're on. Okay, so that is what the first thing that you see, the account that you're on and the type of account. As you can see, there's a demo slash at the corner that shows you that you're on a demo account. If it was a live account, that will show you that it's a live account, or you would see live or you would see real. Okay, now from the top you have your trade screen. Click on this, will bring you right back to the trade screen like that. And you have news. This is where you see all news that may be affecting the currency periods. Okay, or any breaking news, any big news will pop up here. Most demo accounts do not have the news area populated. Most times you have access to news on live accounts. You have your mailbox here that your broker will send you, welcome and stuff like that. Your broker or MetaTrader will send you messages here. Not really important. You have a journal here. Not really important. Then this will take you right back to settings where we were. Economic calendar and traders community and about, those aren't important. You don't need to worry about that. So guys, in the next video I am going to show you all about the icons at the top of the screen. Or maybe I should do that now. Okay, let's do that now. Okay, so from the top of the screen, the first icon that you're looking at, not the menu icon, the one across from it, this is your crosshair. And when you click it, this comes on your screen. You can use this to measure pips. We'll go into what pips are further in our lesson. See, you can take it off. You can use it to find a specific value. For instance, I want to know what the value for the end of this candlestick was. I put it there and I matched the value on the right. Beside that, where you see the F, that is our indicator screen. I'm going to input what indicators are. Indicators are calculations that measure and predict chart patterns, price, and value. And you can add this to your chart. I'm going to add an indicator to my chart in the next video. Beside that, you have a dollar sign. This is where you find your currency pairs that are on the quote screen. So I'm going to click on the quote screen. You see all the currencies here. When you're on the chart screen, you can click on the dollar sign and those same currency are listed for you, and you can click on any currency to switch between them. So I am currently on the gold versus US dollar. Look in your top left hand corner, gold versus US dollar. So I'm going to click on the bottom pair, which is GBP JPY, and it will automatically bring me to that chart. Watch carefully. See, so you can always switch between pairs just like that. Beside that, we have our chart window. You can use this to open two charts at once. So I'm currently on the gold versus US dollar. If I want to look at two charts at once on my screen, then this is where I'd go to add a new window by clicking the add a new window and then selecting the currency pair that I want. So I will further show you how to do that. And beside that, on the what should I call this? This is like a paper, maybe a book leaf with a plus on it. This is where you'll go to open your trades. You'll click on it and this is what it looks like. I will further explain this in another video also. I just want you to get familiar with the interface so that when we dive in, you know what is what and all that. So until then, I'll see you in the next video. Keep safe. Indicators are calculations that measure and predict chart patterns, price, and value.